never had a problem with that before. I've done it in this court.
No, I tell you what has been done. There has been, with regards to the indictment that's a part of it, where you say, I am not contesting anything, and you take out the judicial confession, but the evidence is the evidence that is presented. And then the court makes a ruling on whether or not that evidence is sufficient. But if you're saying we're not stipulating to the evidence that is being presented to the court, then she's not even stipulating to the fact that she's alleged to have committed a theft from the junior league.
I think we've got a clean copy of the paperwork, Judge, that we can.
All right.
Judge,
swap out.
if I may, we can't stipulate to the amount. So we would have at the very
That's why
least.
you have it. Nobody ever stipulates to an amount. That's why you all have contested hearings, and I make a decision on whether or not they owe it or not.
And Judge, and I know we're getting in sort of ahead of ourselves, but I'm asking for the court to not order restitution to the third parties. I don't think that that's appropriate.
Well, that's where you present evidence and I make a decision, or you present some kind of law and I make a decision on whether or not that amount that is below the line, because it's not a part of your agreement, then I make a decision on whether or not that amount should be paid or any amount should be paid to Visa or Berkshire.
And Your Honor, it's what I'm requesting the court to do is to not order that, so that can be handled in a civil court. They are set up for that. That's the way the normal course goes on these things. And it's going to be, we would need a forensic accountant to go through this. It's going to be a very long and arduous restitution.